Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll show you how to make this amazing hyperlinked template in PowerPoint where you can extend these ice creams like this by either clicking onto this arrow, or you can directly click on these ice cream cones and you can extend them like that is looks like and you can also go to click on this home option to go to back side of this home template. So let's make this template. The first thing you have to do is insert your content text and everything else besides the accounts and everything else. We're gonna insert our round corner rectangle right here, and we're gonna remove its outline and give it a suitable height and width. Next, we're gonna go to Insert tab and insert four of the codes from our PNG. So I'll provide these resources in the description. You can get these images from there with the name as resources. So you can just download these images. And the next thing I'm gonna do is select all these images and then give them a like an equal height and equal width. So I'll place this first cone right onto the rounded corner rectangle and then move the others out of the slide because I don't want to use them right now. We're gonna increase this cone size along with other cones because I want the size to be similar. So we'll adjust it onto the rounded corner rectangle. Go to format shape of this rounded corner rectangle and give it a color using eyedropper from the cone. Increases transparency according to your preference, just so that you can see a lighter color. Next, what you have to do is move the cone downwards a bit, and you're gonna insert a text box which will describe what flavor this cone is or what's its name. So I'll just insert a bold text. I'll use a bold font as well. Let's decrease our cone size because I want to insert more text box just below this title text box. We'll also extend the height of the rectangle. So we'll insert the price of this cone right just below right here. And we're gonna change its font, align it into the middle. Here you go. Next, we're gonna insert a round corner rectangle just in the last part of the round corner rectangle, and we're gonna make it fully rounded. Insert our text which says add, and we're gonna give it the darker shade of the color we used from the eyedropper. So this is how it looks right now. We'll give it the middle alignment, select all of these and duplicate them by pressing Ctrl plus D and put them into an equal distance and duplicate them about two more times. Select everything and move it into the middle. First of all, group them so that we can see what the middle part of the slide is so that we can put them into the middle and center. Next, we're gonna select individually every one of these and we're gonna put each or change sizes of each of the cones according to those that we use for the brown ones. We're gonna like put this blue corn onto the brown one and compare their sizes and then remove the brown corns from their positions that are for these three corn. Next, we're gonna like adjust their sizes and heights and widths, then put them onto each of the rectangle. So we'll change our text box, which are the title. You're gonna use each of the unique name for each of the different flavor, and for you're gonna also customize your prices accordingly. So I have done everything. Now what you have to do is change the color of the round corner rectangle using our dropper from the cone. And next you're gonna go from a background of each of the rectangle. And we're gonna use the same 66% of transparency for each of the other round corner rectangles. Send them to the back, and similarly we're gonna change each of the rounded corner rectangle's color and then give it transparency of the same as we did for the first rectangle. So here you go. Next, we're gonna select the login button. First of all, we're gonna go to pictures, and from here, we're gonna search for like some icons that are for the left and the right arrow. You can use your own personal icons if you want, but I'll provide these in the resources in the link in the description so you can check them out from there. Change the colors, change the titles color as well. And if you want to customize anything else, you can also do that. So this looks something like this. Next, you're gonna duplicate it and we're gonna extend this first rectangle, enlarge the corner, and we're gonna, while holding shift, we'll move everything on to the middle of this extended rectangle. We're gonna increase the text size, something like this, and put it right on top. Increase the font size and insert a text box right here which says the flavor of this corn. So I'll just give it a really bold font and then we'll just send it to the back. Let me just increase its size. Now what you can do is send all these corns and everything onto the front and send this text box to the back. We're gonna go from change its color to the same darker shade that you use for the corn, but we're gonna go to format background and from there we're gonna click on text option and increase the transparency of it. Also from background panel, duplicate this slide. Yeah, first of all, let me just remove any other slides if I want to. Let's just duplicate the slide and next we're gonna increase the decrease this height and width of this rectangle to as before, and we're gonna extend the rectangle, the second rectangle's height and width. Similarly, we're gonna repeat the process that we did in the first step, but we're gonna also make the first rectangle into its original position. So let me just check out both of their sizes and let's compare them so that we have both equal sizes. Next, we're gonna move our text box right here on top. Move this one right here and extend this rectangle size. That is the width, and we're gonna increase the font size as well. Move all of the text box right here onto the slide, onto this rectangle, just below the font, but decrease the size so that we can put it and we can fix it into the rectangle. While holding shift, select both of the text box and the bottom corner rectangle and also put it into the middle. Now it's time to paste our other text that were used in the previous slide in the back of the code. We're gonna send it to the back and next we're gonna change its color to the same dark shade we used from this code using eyedropper. Give it the transparency. So here you go. Similarly, I'll duplicate this slide again and we're gonna move the second shape to its original position and extend the size of the third of the cone and the rectangle. So I'll just speed up this process right now because I have already showed you how to make it. You can slow down the video if you want to see a slowed down version to carefully put everything into teachings. Now it's time to give hyperlink to each of them. We'll select each of the arrow and click on hyperlink option, and from here we're gonna click on link to and click on next slide for the next arrow and click on previous slide for the previous arrow. Similarly, we're gonna hyperlink each of the columns. You can slow down this video if you wish to see a slowed down version, and also I have provided a link to this free template in the description. You can check out that link to download this template for free from Google Slides. We'll also give a hyperlink to this home option in each of the slide by connecting it with the first slide. So these are all the templates. Select all of them and click on more transition and transitions tab. So this is the final result. And if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon. You can download this template for free from the link in the description below. And I have also given the link to the resources that are used in this video. You can get access to them for free.